So, students, in the earlier class we are discussing about transpose. Transpose is nothing but interchange of rows and columns. So, I have already given many examples. We will recall it. So, let A equal to say 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 the number. So, what is A transpose? A transpose written as A dash or A written as A transpose equal to, so how to transpose? So first row will become first column. So this will be 2, 3, 4. First row is this much will become first column. Second row will become second column. Observe here. So if A is of order, this is of order 2 cross 3, 2 rows, 3 columns. Then its transpose will become 3 cross 2. Next, already I have mentioned, already we have seen what is A transpose, transpose, earlier given also. A transpose, transpose will be, again if you transpose this, it will be same thing, 2, 3, 4, original one will get 5, 6, 7. So this is nothing but A only. So transpose and transpose will be the original matrix. Now next topic is symmetric matrix. Symmetric. So what do you mean by a symmetric matrix? We say that matrix is symmetric if A transpose equal to A. So this will happen only if you are considering a square matrix. So definition we can say that a square matrix is symmetric or is said to be symmetric if A transpose equal to A. Transpose is itself. So if its transpose is itself. A transpose equal to A. That will happen only when it is a square matrix. Only for square matrices it can happen, because for other rectangular matrices 2 by 3 will become 3 cross 3 by 2. So you can't compare. Comparison can be done only when they are of same order. So it should be a square matrix. That's why it should be a square matrix. We can't compare 2 cross 3 with 3 cross 2. So if you transpose 2 by 3, you will get 3 by 2. So you can't compare. You can't compare the two. So it should be a square matrix for it to be symmetric. I will give an example. Simple example. A equal to 1, 2, 2, 5. So what is A? This is A. What is A transpose? A transpose is first row will become first column 1, 2. Second row will become second column. Now observe that A transpose A. So both are equal. 1, 2, 2, 5. 1, 2, 2, 5. So A equal to A transpose. A equal to A transpose. That means A is symmetric. A equal to A transpose means, that means what? A is symmetric. A is symmetric. You observe here one important point. So when it will happen, it is symmetric. When symmetric will take place, observe this. For diagonal elements there is no problem. Now observe the other elements. This is A12. This is A21. A12 should be equal to A21. In general, Aij, if it is equal to Aji for all I and j, then we will get the matrix as symmetric. The matrix as symmetric. One more example I will give you. Let x equal to 1, 2, minus 5. Next, this is 3 by 3 order level, right? 1, 2, minus 5, 2, 8. Minus 5, 6. Now observe this. X equal to 1, 2, minus 5. 2, 8, 6. Minus 5, 6, 7. Now what is x dash? X dash equal to, or x transpose equal to, x dash means x transpose. One is same. So equal to first row will become first column. First row is 1 2 minus 5. That will become first column. Second row 2 8 6. That will become second column. Third row minus 5 6 7. That will become third column. Now observe here. X is 1 2 minus 5. Compare. 2 8 6. Here also 2 8 6. Minus 5 6 7. Here also minus 5 6 7. From here you can say that x equal to x dash. So therefore x is symmetric. X is symmetric. X is symmetric. Again compare. This is A12 should be same as A21. This is A13 minus 5 is A13. This is A31. This is A23 element. A23 means second row, third column. This is third row, second column. A23 equal to A32. So that's what I am telling you. Generalization. Aij equal to Aji. Then we will have as symmetric. So this is also one example of order 3. Square matrix of order 3 or 3 by 3. You can say 3 also enough. So this is of order 2. So it is symmetric if you get A transpose equal to A. Important. A transpose equal to A means then you can say A is symmetric. Next one, skew symmetric. Skew symmetric. Skew symmetric. So what is skew symmetric? We already studied what is symmetric. Now skew symmetric, we say that a matrix, a square matrix in fact, is skew symmetric if A transpose equal to minus A. If A transpose equal to minus A. I will give one example, then explain further. Suppose A equal to 0, 0, 2, minus 2. Then we can say that, now find out A transpose. A transpose equal to, first row will become first column, 0 to 2 minus 0. Sorry, 0 to first row will become first column, then second row minus 2 0. So that is A transpose. 0 to first row will become first column, second row will become second column. Now what is minus A? A is this much. Also minus A. Okay, minus A equal to minus 1 into A. Minus A means minus 1 into A equal to, multiply this by minus 1. So it will become 0 into minus 1. Minus 1 0 will change. So minus 2 will be minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2 0. Now you observe minus A. This is minus A. So this is minus A. What is A dash or A transpose? This is A transpose. Compare the two. Compare say 1 and 2. So what do you get? A dash is 0 minus 2. 2 0. Same here. Minus A is also 0 minus 2. 2 0. So we can say that A dash equal to minus A. A dash equal to minus A. That means A is skew symmetric. That is A is skew symmetric. Now observe here, to become skew symmetric there are some conditions. One important condition is, so here diagonal elements, this is called the diagonal elements. The diagonal elements should always be 0. So to have skew symmetric matrix, the diagonal element should always be 0. And further, if you have plus 2 here, then it will be minus 2 here. So you should have Aij, this is Aij, Aji with minus sign, same value but with minus sign. A12 is 2, A21 is minus 2, like this. This is our order 2. So two conditions. One is diagonal element should be zeros, main diagonal element should be zeros. skew symmetric matrix. One more example I will give you of order 3 for skew symmetric. Of order 3 for skew symmetric. Let A equal to. So I will write some elements. So diagonal elements always 0. 3 by 3 order I am writing. So remember diagonal elements you can outright 0 only. Next I will write 1 minus 2 here. So then what I will write here? This is A12. This is A21. So you will have to write minus 1. I will write some other element here 4. Now this is A13. So I have to write A31 as plus 2. Change the sign. This is minus 4. Observe here. Now what is A dash? A dash equal to, okay, we will write A dash here. I will write here. A transpose is first row, first column 0, 1, minus 2. Second row, second column minus 1, 0, 4. Third row, third column will be 2, minus 4, 0. Now this is A, so what is A? Minus A? Minus A equal to, so minus 1 into every element should be multiplied by minus 1. Every element should be multiplied by minus 1. So we will get 0, minus 1, 2. Next 1 plus 1, 0, minus 4. Next minus 2, 4, 0. So this is minus A, this is A dash. Compare now 1 and 2. These two. A dash and minus A. Minus A is 0, minus 1, 2. A dash also 0, minus 1, 2. 1, 0, minus 4. 1, 0, minus 4. Minus 2, 4, 0. Minus 2, 4, 0. So I can say that A dash equal to A transpose equal to minus A. Therefore, A is skew symmetric. Again observe here. A12 minus 1. This is plus 1. A13 2. A31 minus 2. This is minus 4. That is A23 minus 4. A32 should be plus 4. Diagonal elements should be 0. All the diagonal elements should be zeros. Then only we can have skew symmetric matrix. So this is about skew symmetric matrix. So you have seen what are the different types of matrices, including these two, symmetric as well as skew symmetric. Earlier you have seen many other types, null, identity and so on, rectangular matrix. So this comes under symmetric, and skew symmetric comes under square matrices. Comes under square matrices. We will work out on some problems on these. So problems on transpose. First problem. Problem 1. We will work out some problems. Problem 1. So if A equal to is given as 3 minus 2 4, 3 minus 2 4, 2 1 0. B equal to 1 minus 1 4, 1 minus 1 4, 6 2 5. Verify that A plus B whole dash equal to A dash plus B dash So if A equal to 3 minus 2 4 2 1 0, B equal to 1 minus 1 4 6 2 5. Verify that A plus B whole dash is A dash plus B dash. So first we will calculate 1 by 1. So we have to do that left hand side equal to right hand side. So solution, the answer, solution or answer. What is the solution or answer? So A plus B whole dash. Now A is here. So what is A plus B? Now A plus B equal to, add the two. Addition is direct, I will directly write it. So adding means corresponding elements are added. 3 plus 1 4. A plus B corresponding element 3 1 4. Minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. 4 plus 4 8. Next 2 plus 6 8. 1 plus 2 3. 0 plus 5 5. So this is A plus B. 3 plus 1 4. Minus 2 plus minus 1 minus 3. 4 plus 4 8. 2 plus 6 8. 1 plus 2 3. 0 plus 5 5. So what is A plus B whole dash? Now A plus B whole dash is, therefore A plus B whole dash. A plus B whole dash. So transposing. So transposing means, so first row will become first column. 4 minus 3 8. 4 minus 3 8. Next second row will become 4 minus 3 8. First row will become first column. Second row will become second column. 8 3 5. 8 3 5. This I will call it as 1. So A plus B whole dash. Now you have to put it as equal to right hand side. So what is A dash now? Also A dash, A transpose equal to, transpose this. So this is 3 minus 2 4. First row will become first column. 3 minus 2 4. Second row 2 1 0. Next, what is B dash? B dash will be like this. B dash is again 1 minus 1 4. First row will become first column. First row will become first column. Second row will become second column. Now add the two. A dash plus B dash. A dash plus B dash equal to, add the two. So corresponding elements add 3 1 4. Next 2 6 8. Next minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Next 1 plus 2 3. 4 plus 4 8. 0 plus 5 5. Now this we call it as 2. Just addition, B dash plus B dash. Compare now. A plus B whole dash is 4 8 minus 3 3 8 5. What about A dash plus B dash? 4 8. Same thing. 4 8 minus 3 3 8 5. So we can say that. So from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. So final result. What do you get? A plus B whole dash. A plus B whole dash equal to A dash plus B dash. So it is over. Just apply what is transpose, addition, scalar addition, you know. So addition you know. Then simplify. That's all. Addition of matrices, transpose of matrices. Apply them, simplify. So we'll get A plus B whole dash equal to A dash plus B dash. Next one. If A equal to, next problem, second problem now. Second problem. If A equal to 1 minus 2 3. 1 minus 2 3. Next 4 5 minus 3. 4 5 minus 3. And K is a scalar. And K is a scalar. K is scalar. K is scalar. And K is a scalar. show that Ka whole dash Ka whole dash Ka whole transpose equal to K into K transpose. So if A equal to 1 minus 2 3 4 5 minus 3 and K is a scalar and K scalar, show that K whole dash equal to K into K dash. So again direct. So solution. So just first do the left hand side, get Ka transpose, then prove it K into K dash. So one is the same. So to prove they are equal. So first calculate Ka first. Now Ka equal to K into A. So 1 minus 2 3 all those 1 minus 2 3 4 5 minus 2. This is equal to, so K into 1 K. So and K into minus 2 minus 2 K into 3 3K. Just multiplication 4K, similarly 4K 5K minus 3K. So this is Ka. So therefore Ka dash equal to transpose this. So transposing means what you get? First row becomes first column K minus 2K 3K. Next 4K 5K, second row becomes second column minus 3K. So call it as 1, left hand side actually. So to prove left hand side equal to right hand side. So it's 1. Next, what is K into A dash? Also A dash equal to A dash, A transpose. A dash means A transpose equal to, transpose is first row will become first column 1 minus 2 3 first column, then second row will become second column. So 4 5 minus 3 4 5 minus 3. Now what is Ka dash? Ka transpose. Ka into this much, this matrix A dash. So 1 4 minus 2 5 3 minus 3. Multiply and solve. K into 1 is K. Next one 4K. 4 into K minus 2K 5K 3K minus 3K. Call it as 2. Compare 1 and 2. So what is 1? What is 2? So comparing 1 and 2, K 4K same. Minus 2K 5K same. 3K minus 3K same. From 1 and 2. So from 1 and 2 what do you get? From 1 and 2 we get Ka whole dash equal to K into A dash. Ka whole dash equal to K into A dash. Next problem. Find x such that, next one, third one. Find x such that, find small x such that find x such that 3x 4 7 is symmetric. 3x 4 7 3x 4 7 is symmetric. So problem is find x such that 3x 4 7 is symmetric. So answer, the solution is, you know when it is symmetric. Symmetric means A equal to A transpose. So we will call it as a matrix. A equal to, just for reference purpose, 3x 4 7. So what is A transpose? A transpose equal to, so transpose is 3x. First row will become first column, second row will become second column. So A is symmetric if A equal to A dash. Now A is symmetric if A equal to A dash. A equal to A dash. Okay, A is symmetric if A equal to A dash. Compare. So if I call it as 1 and 2, A should be equal to A dash. So comparing, so what we will get? X should be equal to 4. Comparing 1 and 2 or A and A dash. A and A dash. You can say like that also, or A and A dash. We get X equal to 4. See, X equal to 4 because 3 equal to 3. 4 equal, X should be equal to 4. X4 should be equal to X7 and 7 already there. So we should get X equal to 4. Comparing these two will get X equal to 4. So when X equal to 4, then this will become symmetric. Find X that this is symmetric. So this will be symmetric when X equal to 4. You can immediately guess it also. I mean, this is 4, this is A to 1. So X also should be equal to same. That is 4. A to 1 should be equal to A1 2. That should also be 4. One more problem. If 2a minus 1 5, fourth one. If 2a minus 1 5 b plus 3 0 b plus 3 0 is skew symmetric find A and B. Find A and B. Is skew symmetric, find A and B. Now you know that this is skew symmetric. So when it is skew symmetric, A dash should be equal to minus A. So I will call it as A. Let A equal to 2a minus 1 5 b plus 3 0. Okay. So now what is A dash? A transpose. A dash equal to 2a minus 1 5 b plus 3 0. So what is my, this is A. So A dash is 2a minus 1, first row will become first column 5 b plus 3 0. So what is minus A? Minus A equal to, you have to calculate minus A also. Minus A equal to minus into this much. So I will multiply by minus sign, minus into A, minus 1, minus means minus 1, minus 1 into 2a minus 1, 5, b plus 3, 0. This will be equal to 2a minus 1, if you multiply it by minus 1, it will become minus 2a plus 1, minus 2a plus 1, minus 5, 2a minus 1 will become minus 2a, minus minus will become plus 1. So next minus 5, b plus 3 will become minus b, minus 3, 0. So this is minus A, this is A dash. We can call them as 1 and 2. Now A is skew symmetric. A is skew symmetric if A dash equal to minus A. is here. So comparing 1 and 2, we get, what do we get? Comparing 1 and 2, we get minus 2a plus 1. Here 2a minus 1. So that is actually this element you can directly give. Okay, we will give here a dash minus a. My 2a minus 1. Comparing, we get 2a minus 1 equal to minus 2a plus 1. So what you will get is, if you bring this side here, so okay, 4a minus 2a, bring it here, 4a equal to minus, bring it here, so 4a equal to 1 minus 1 equal to 2. That means a equal to half. A equal to half. 2a minus 1 equal to minus 2a plus 1. So bring it to this side. So 4a minus 1 goes to the other side. 4a equal to 2, a equal to half. The other one is, what is we are having? So other one is minus b minus 3 equal to 5. Other one is, either you can use this or this one also. One the same, because b plus 3 minus b minus 3 equal to 5. Okay, or b plus 3 equal to minus 5. Either one and the same. B plus 3 equal to minus 5 implies b equal to minus 3. Even the other case also, even if you compare this one also, one and the same. Or you can say this one also, same thing you will get for b. See, 5 equal to, comparing, minus b minus 3 equal to 5. That is same. So minus b equal to minus, see, minus b equal to plus minus b equal to plus 8, or b equal to minus 8. One and the same. So one of them is enough. Now we get minus 8. A equal to half, b equal to minus 8. So this is just by comparing. In fact, one value you can directly get from here itself based on the condition. What is the condition? Diagonal element should be 0. Main diagonal element should be 0. So a can be directly got also. 2a minus 1 equal to 0. Because this has to be 0. 2a minus 1 equal to 0. 2a equal to 1 or a equal to half. 1 by 2. So other one you will just get by comparison. Skew symmetric means a dash equal to minus a dash equal to minus a. Compare the two. Important point. A dash equal to minus a. So once you get it, you can find out a and b. So we will discuss some more problems and about other topics in the next class.